KSC Presents. Mystery surrounding bright orange seagull rescued from roadside has been solved. Those who work with England's Tiggywinkles Wildlife Hospital are experienced when it comes to seeing animals in need. They have been through quite a lot over the course of their stints here. While these workers are already well aware of the issues that take place, they came across a bird that was in a unique predicament. A bright orange seagull had made its way into their midst. Why was the animal bright orange? Why would do such a thing to an innocent bird? There were so many questions that would need to be answered. Good Samaritans rescued the animal and the workers began to look the bird over. You might think that the animal's coloration was caused by dye. Unfortunately, the real answer was much more nefarious. And we are flabbergasted. Someone had actually decided to coat the bird in spice. The workers believe that the seagull was likely covered in curry or possibly turmeric. What on earth? We cannot believe our eyes. Why someone would do something like this is beyond our comprehension. Believe it or not, the bird was just fine. Despite being coated in spice, the seagull was still in good health. This is a minor miracle. We can't believe that the seagull was able to survive this onslaught. The animal was given the bath that they sorely needed, restoring its normal coloration. What an awful ordeal. One thing is for sure, we wish that these people would be punished. No bird deserves to be coated in spices for anyone else's amusement. At least, the seagull is able to enjoy a well-deserved happy ending. In a world where animals are regularly treated poorly with very little recourse, we are here to say that this sort of treatment needs to stop.
Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.